Hello everyone, my name is Shatabdi Banerjee, an assistant professor of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science, Kolkata. Here I am there to tell you about Bachelor of Business Administration. What is the efficiency of this Bachelor of Business Administration and how this course helps in your future to get the best advantage out of it. This course is a bit professional in nature, and more than the professionalities, people will every time, people not companies will every time move on for the professional predicament. That is the reason why people move on for the Bachelor of Business in Administration, because it is an on trend experience wherein you are getting the internship, where you can do the internship, learn how it works, it is helpful in the company, how you can collaborate and mitigate any kind, collaborate with every people and mitigate all the problem. This is the thing why people move on for Bachelor of Business Administration. रही बात Bachelor of Business Administration की, this is a degree course, ठीक है, which you can get it from the BCom also, the same level of degree. The same way Bachelor of Business Administration भी आपका ये डिग्री कोर्स है, जिसके बदौलत आपको आप कल जाके मास्टर्स भी कर सकते हैं, or you can also pursue the PhD after your masters. So even you can move on for the government job, and most probably if you do on for the BCom and BBA, if you have a comparison with the commerce graduates moving for BCom, ultimately you cannot find that much profitability in BCom because of the career structure, because BCom is a general degree while BBA is a professional degree, and company always tends to get the professionality out from the degree people, so it reduces the cost of the company. So there are various careers in BBA which you will have in advertising companies. You can have your job, you can have in trading companies like stock market trading, you can have the jobs in sales and marketing, then you may have some kind of general management, banking, accounting, counseling. Various types of career oriented program are written in BBA, while in BCom only you can know about the accounting and how the sums and all those things can be solved in BCom, and like amalgamation, final accounts. Only particularly it is bookish knowledge. Rather in BBA you will get the bookish as well as the practical knowledge, which कल जो सब ये सारी चीज़ मिला के कल कंपनी आपका बुकिश नॉलेज नहीं, प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज ज़्यादा एफर्टेबिलिटी रहेगा और कंपनी का खर्चा भी आप पे कम रहेगा. तो दैट इज द रीज़न वाई कंपनी इज गोइंग टू हायर यू. Moreover, why you are going to do it from the SVIMS, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science? Because it provides you, because the SVIMS provides you the best faculties, because of its best faculties. Then SVIMS Kolkata provides you the best companies. Nearly 140 companies comes all over throughout every year. पूरे साल में 140 से 150 कंपनी हमारे कैंपस में आते हैं. उसके बाद भी अगर आप लोगों का कंपनी में सिलेक्शन हो जाता है, we also provide you the best counseling for your government jobs or any kind of competitive exams. And you will have various amount of other facilities like swimming pool, then you have gym, then you have the canteen and all those facilities जो सारे institutes में रहता है, वो भी हमारे SVIMS है. Other than these, on the educational part and on the educational forefront, we have all these things coming into our structure. Last but not the least, which is better? You are here to choose which one is better, with whether it is BBA or it is BCom. BBA is a managerial course, rather BCom is a financial course which mainly focuses on the theory and number based conventional course. Rather BBA focuses all the things related in BCom with the management skills, along with the developing the modern course, along with the developing of the leadership skills, and you also get hands on experience with the internship procedure. 2 या 4 internship भी आप लोगों को करने के लिए मिल सकता है, जिसके बदौलत कंपनी कल आपको जाके अच्छे तरह से मर्ज अप कर सकती है. That's all. Thank you.